So this is going to be a video about shaders and what you can do with shaders. So first up, what is a shader? Well, essentially it's code that runs on your GPU. So you can imagine that this main loop happens over and over again for every pixel on your computer. Pretty much this piece of code here is like the basic hello world of shader code. Like, this is what you run the first time when you learn about shaders. So next up, I've just introduced some other variables. So I've accessed time and basically setting the color based on the time that's passed and just fading between all of the different colors of the rainbow. So now I'm just using this HSB to RGB function, thanks to Nigo Quillers from ShaderToy. And basically I've just created this Apple spinning wheel of death. When I was first learning about this, I got a little bit sidetracked and created this other program which is like an infinite field of Apple spinning wheels. So because shaders are fundamentally based in maths, you can sort of extend one little tiny thing and repeat it a million times using just basic maths functions. So then the exciting part of shaders for me is ray marching. So essentially ray marching is just like a super optimized way for the computer to render 3D objects, and it's basically like ray tracing without the computational cost of ray tracing. And yeah, you can create cool infinite fields of 3D objects instead of 2D objects. But then this is sort of like as far as I could get, even stealing someone else's space background. But then you look at what other people have created using just shaders, and it is like pretty insane. Like, essentially, GPU programming through shaders is like as low level code as you can get. Like, there is no way you could create like a more optimized version of the same thing using the most advanced like 3D engine or tools. Like, it's just so perfectly detailed by hand. I find these like just amazing, like the worlds that people have created. But yeah, that's about it for shaders. I hope you're now interested in them and go learn about them yourself.